Ready. Let's do the Vaikriyik Yoga now, which is the body, a special kind of body that belongs only to the hellish and the heavenly beings. This kind of body has a very special quality that it can take any form. It can do any kind of Vikriya and take any form it wants to take as per its will. So this special kind of body, a living being, can be found as a heavenly state or a hellish state. So let's see where the heavenly and the hellish beings are found. They are found at the first level of consciousness with false perception. If a heavenly being or a hellish being gets clarity, they can have this body at the fourth level of consciousness. And when they fall down from the fourth to the one, they can have the various other body states. So that is how the Vaikriyik Mishra Kaya can be found at the first, second and the fourth level of consciousness. Vaikriyik Kaya, which is again the final completion of the body of a hellish or a heavenly being, can be found from 1 to 4, any of these levels. Now as you see, we have the second level of consciousness in the Mishra, but there is no second especially there and no third level of consciousness here. That means that in the third level of consciousness, no one dies and no one takes birth, and that is the reason there is no third level where the formation of body takes place. But when the body is complete, you can roll down from the third to the second to the first, and that's why that body is present in the third level of consciousness. So the Vaikriyik Kaya Yoga is present in the first, fourth, third and second. Let's go to the Ahaarak Mishra Kaya. Now the Ahaarak body is a very special kind of body that projects out from the head of a Muni Maharaji who is at the 6th level of consciousness, when he has an intense curiosity on the subjects of the soul while during his own meditation or reading scriptures. At that time, a very beautiful toy kind of structure, 1 feet in height, white in color, projects out from his head towards, and it goes towards a Kevali Bhagwan who has Keval Gyan. And there it gets resolved by finding a solution to its question, and it retraces back into the body of the Muni Maharaji. This special kind of body is known as Ahaarak body, and when the formation of this body is taking place in the Muni Maharaji during that phase of intense curiosity, at that time the Ahaarak Mishra Kaya Yoga is formed. This particular kind of body is made out of 2 waves, which is Ahaarak waves and Audaric waves. And when this body is in the form of creation, the person is in the form of Muni Maharaji at the 6th level of consciousness only. And when the body is complete, he is still at the 6th level of consciousness when that body projects out and comes back to him and disseminates. So the Ahaarak Mishra Kaya Yoga and Ahaarak Kaya Yoga, these are the 2 bodies which are found only with the Muni Maharaji during his 6th level of consciousness. So this is a very beautiful way to connect and understand how different living beings with different styles of activities of their bodies can be placed at the 14 steps of purity. Please listen to this video at least 3 times and discuss with your parents in order to gain more clarity in the subject. Thank you.